everyone. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, that's some interesting video effects. Okay. I don't super know what's going on with my camera. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay. And of course, it responds to anything by zooming in. Let's try switching the camera mode. See if this works any better, and let's ask it to zoom the heck out. And it's very, very slowly zooming out. Okay, whatever. Let's see here. Boop. Yeah, it seems reasonably responsive. Whatever, we'll call it a day. And most of you probably not here for that. Anyways, wait, wrong computer. There we go. Switch to the code terminal. Oh yeah, and here, yesterday, I was working on, what was I working on? Yeah, I was working on our proposal to update high performance Spark, and so that's why I've got the Spark stuff up right now. Let's try 180 maybe. 200? Yeah, okay, we'll do this as a starting point, and we'll sort of see how stuff goes. Okay. Spark upgrade. Oh yeah, we'll put on some tunes. Oh right, and then I was okay. There we go. Okay, yeah, there we go. There we go. Fuck, what was I gonna do? My brain is clearly not at 100%. Oh yeah, tunes. Oh yeah, okay, Spotify. Royalty-free music. I think I've got. Okay, cool. Well, let's see how this goes. I can't stop this feeling. I want like yeah, here we go. Let's try this one. Sure, that's maybe good. Okay, so all right, let's go ahead and look here. So we're gonna run the tests, see where we left off. Okay, so and actually let's go ahead and look at the git log. So the thing that I did earlier today was I started to write a lint rule, and actually now that I'm seeing it, I'm realizing that the lint rule is not actually correct. So that's okay. We are going to go ahead and start working on that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, and this is Spark upgrade, SQL, SRC Spark SQL rules. Okay. So new so then what we're going to do is we actually want to do it based on which reserved keyword it is that we've triggered. Oh wait, do we not? Oh yeah, okay, in self.reserve. Okay. So, provider. Oh wait, no, we always do this. Okay. New statement equals elif property name is location. Because then we have slightly different things here. Let's go ahead. We're going to look up the Spark SQL migration guide again because my memory is hot garbage. It's going to be in the Spark 3.0 release notes. Here we go. SQL migration guide. Okay. Use the location clause to specify it. Yeehaw. Okay. For owner property, we don't have an easy workaround, so instead, just raise a lint error. Reserve table slash DB property. Found C migration advice. Not ideal, but like, meh. Good enough. Okay. Okay, cool. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to open the tests. Using Parquet. Location is farts. It's probably all caps. Oh yeah, and it's not format name. So we're going to change format name to property underscore value. Property. Value. Property value. Okay, cool. I guess technically it would make the SQL prettier if we did deal with the fact that the next one is a white space. But also I'm lazy and we can make the like, while this is a linter, I mostly care about like migrating people's code to a modern version. Okay. Here we go. So now this is saying that reserved table property is still being found afterwards. Property name not in self.reserved. So let's take a look. Called with context, but then it doesn't print out yeehaw. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, okay, this is property value. You're saying that reserve properties is being triggered even after the fix. But okay. We're gonna narrow it it down. We're going to just do the location one. Okay. Found unparsable section with DB properties location farts. Gotcha. So specifically it's saying it's not liking the fix. Fuck. Okay. Let's go ahead. We're gonna try that. Okay. Using parquet. Okay. So I think we have to fix this unless Spark SQL create table using parquet. Oh, the using needs to come right after create table in the grammar. Okay. Spark SQL create table. Let's go ahead and find the docs. Okay. Gotcha. That's why. Okay. Okay, so create table boop using parquet comes right after okay. It needs to come right before table properties. Okay, using parquet table properties. Okay. That makes sense. So, create before it's not going to do anything yet, but table loop using k. Does that look right? Honestly, it needs to come. Fuck me. How are we going to specify where this goes? Okay. Siblings pre, siblings post. There's parent stack. What's in the parent stack? So yeah. Okay. So it's probably going to be the create table segment that it needs to go right after. No, maybe. Let's take a look at the parse tree. Okay. Create table statement. Yeah. So we want to put it right after the create table statement, I guess. Interesting question that I want to make sure is if we have a partition by, are we going to put it in the right place? Partition, nope. Don't need developer tools. Partition by ID. What's our okay. That does look like it gives us the right thing. So, because for whatever reason, this or no, the create table statement. Okay, does it need to go right after the table reference? No. There's a bracketed segment that's part of, that can be a part of it. Fuck. I hate computers. Yeah, for now, okay, we're just gonna do this. Aren't returning any fixes though. Right, like that's, oh, gotcha. fail, or whatever. Raise exception farts. Because if I raise the exception, it actually does some nice things. Farts. Okay, no. Normally, it used to. Maybe I have to. Maybe my memory's off. What if we make this faster? Okay, there we go. That gives me a nice little parse tree to look at. So, create table statement. So, we want to put it, or we need to put it after the first bracketed. Actually, no, we want to put it before the first keyword. Does that sound right? Before the first keyword child of create table statement. Ooh, okay. Whatever. It's fine. We'll fuck around with my video another time. Okay. Okay, right. Yeah, that's the wrong computer. That's why the Alt tab isn't doing shit. Okay. So. Done a good job of figuring out which segment it is we want to delete. That's fine. Now figuring out where we want to put ourselves is that part's the current tricky part. So parent stack. So parent stack. We want to grab the create table segment. What's this file segment? Okay. Yeah, okay. That should be our create table segment. So then specifically, well, okay, I guess this part, that's where using goes. Location, does location go in the same place? different logic for where we want to put ourselves when we're in location mode. Okay. I think. Whatever. We'll figure this out. Oh. Okay. I want to get first bracketed segment. Not. That's a great question, Shiva. I don't know. I'm not doing a lot of stuff right now, like today with Scala, so my head is kind of in the in a different place. But let's see. What can I think of? I mean, big data and Scala are kind of different things. Do you want to learn Scala just for big data, or do you want to learn Scala? Because for Scala, Dean Wampler's book, it would be a place that I would start. There's also some MOOCs and stuff too. Cool. Sounds good. Oh, for Spark related Scala. I mean, Dean's stuff is still a good start if you don't know much Scala. And then I would say to go deeper from that, like in a Spark Scala specific way, Jacek Spark Scala would be what I would look at. He's got some really good internal stuff, and this would be sort of where I would look. He dives into how Spark is built, and this would be what I would look at. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna get back to this. Okay, so yeah, reserve table property. Yeah, because we're always inside a bracketed segment. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And then we're inside of a create table property. Yep. Okay. Okay. So yeah, get child. So I would say that the type that we're looking for here is bracketed. Yeah. So that's the child that we're looking for. Segment to insert after. Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll call this segment to insert Okay. Create after. Segment to insert after. There we go. Okay, now we're going to go back to our test. We're going to make this a fail stir, and we're going to put this fixture in. Yes. So it did not do... Oh, right, because I'm doing this non-business here. Okay, and so we don't actually put brackets around it. We say using okay, but now we still have to put this partition by. Great, okay. Create partition table, and then the other one that I'm really interested in is create empty table. That's the one where we have nothing here. And then in that case, this is what we want. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. So, let's take a look. Create table statement. So keyword and then bracket it. Yeah. So I guess the other way to think of this would be that we want to insert it. We want to insert using. So using has to be the first. I have too many fucking Chrome sessions. Is it this one? No, although this is, yeah, it's fine. Is it this one? Okay, yeah. So using needs to be before any other keyword besides comment. So that logic gets fuzzy. Okay. so here we go. So the other thing that we can look at, we're going to get children of type keyword. And okay, keyword segments is get children keyword. On create x dot raw dot lower not in create table. So what I'm saying is find me the first keyword segment that is not creator table. And in that case, we will, okay. Okay. Oh. Yes. I am too used to writing Spark style code. Oh, thanks. That's kind to say. Python head option filter. Okay, cool. So that gives us a keyword segment of table properties, which that's probably the one that I want, I think. First non-create keyword. I think I want the position of it. I want to say, is that... is comment... Okay. So, if the first non-create keyword position marker is before the first bracketed segment. Okay. Normally we can just insert with the first insert after the first. Normally we want to insert after the first. Oh, actually, wait, yeah. Let's take a look. Maybe there's an even better way. What type? Types. Okay, so what we could do, yeah, we want to insert after so what I would say, actually, yeah, so normally we want to insert, so this is less sketchy. After the first bracketed, after the first, okay, yeah. We want to insert after the first bracketed segment containing, but there are no column definitions. Instead, insert after the table identifier. So, if first bracketed segment dot has children column definition. Else. Create after. Yeah. First bracketed segment. Otherwise, we are going to create ourselves does that sound right? Yeah, otherwise we create ourselves after the table identifier. Create table segment.get child table reference. Except that's let's double check what's reserved. So for provider, yeah, that's okay. There is type iter patches, iter segments. There is a thing, I think, to check this. Classes type. Direct descendant typeset. Here we go. In first bracket segment dot okay. Cool. Progress. So, up next we need to finish it with location. So we'll do that. This is incomplete for now. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's been about an hour. Sounds good. Okay. Try and get, yeah, get insertion points for using more correct. Cool. Okay, that's going to be it. Thanks everyone for joining. Let's see if my friends over on Booty are streaming. Because if they are, y'all should definitely check them out. Doesn't look like it. Yeah. Okay, well, that's okay. I guess it's a Tuesday afternoon. It's maybe not the most popular time. Thanks everyone for joining. I'll see you all around. I think tomorrow's Wednesday, so I'll probably be able to stream again. Maybe we'll get more of this working. Who knows? Bye, y'all. Oh yeah, and I can try and fix my hacking camera settings. This thing is so annoying. Let's try this one. Let's do this one. I like this one. Let's do a frame rate. Zoom out. Come on, zoom out. Whatever. Okay, computers were a mistake. But that's all right. I'll fix the thing. Thanks.